MAT1033 Final Exam Review Question 49. We are to factor completely. We have 2x squared minus 7xy plus 6y to the second. And let's see, we have a trinomial. We want to first determine the GCF. GCF is 1. And it's a trinomial, so we're going to try to find the two binomials whose product is the trinomial. So we're going to split 2x squared into 2x and x. And then the factors of 6y squared would be last times last. They would both have to be minus, so that when we multiply last times last we get a positive, and when we add we get a negative. And the factors of 6 would be the 1 and 6, and then of course y and y to get y squared. And let's see if that works. So we're going to do the outside and the inside. Minus 1yx minus 12xy. Those are like terms, but you notice that the sum is not negative 7. So let's go back here, and we're going to pick different factors for 6y squared. How about if we switch it around and put the 6y here and the 1y there, and then try the middle again. Negative 6yx minus 2xy, that's negative 8. We want negative 7, so that doesn't work either. So we'll have to get rid of that. Okay, get rid of that. Trial and error method of factoring. And let's think about other factors of 6. How about 2 and 3? So we'll put the 3y here and the 2y there. Don't forget the y's, because we have to get y squared for the last term, and xy in the middle. And then we'll try the outside inside again. Minus 3yx minus 4xy. That's negative 7xy. So this is the factored form. MAT1033 Final Exam Review Question 50. We have a polynomial we're supposed to factor completely. X to the fourth minus 3x squared minus 4. GCF is 1. It's a trinomial, so I would try to find the two binomials whose product would be the trinomial given. Now we need to split x to the fourth and first times first. And how do we split that? There are several different things it could be, but we always look in the middle, because it's this middle term we're going to have to end up with when we FOIL. And if you notice, the middle term is x squared. So I'm going to take x to the fourth and split it into x squared. And then the factors of negative 4 that would sum to negative 3 would be plus 1 minus 4. Remember the directions. Factor completely. This is a sum of squares. We can't factor that, so it would stay in its current form. But this, on the other hand, is a difference of squares, which factors into x plus 2, x minus 2. So remember, we have to factor completely. If you multiplied those three binomials together, you would end up with a trinomial.